The thing that different between AutoCAD LT and full AutoCAD is Autolist. What does it mean Autolist? Autolist means the programming language that you write a simple code and then copy and then load into the command line, enter. Now your command ZEALL is mean zoom all viewport. What does it mean? It means when you have many viewport on screen, for example, 4 viewports. Normally, if I would like to zoom on the all viewport on screen, I have to do it one by one manually 4 times. That quite takes time and tedious work. But right now, I know the program already. I try the command that I did. I create this command by myself. Normal AutoCAD full AutoCAD standard from the Autodesk doesn't have this command. So I create my custom own command ZEALL and then enter. You see all the viewport zoom extend just once. And I would like to show you more. If I create viewport, 4 viewports, and then I split these to 4 viewports. You can see that right now I have 10 viewports that I can't do it one by one, surely, because it's quite takes time and tedious work as I said earlier. If I would like to zoom out, I have to do it one by one manually. You see, I can't do it in a short time, but I will create let's see, viewport like this, and then I type ZEALL, enter. All the viewport zoom just once, zoom extend just one. That helps me a lot in when I do 3D modeling or 2D in many views. I would like to see this viewport for rectangle and this viewport for circle. That's quite easy for me. And then I would like to zoom out, zoom extend viewport again. Just type the command and enter. Here we go. All the viewport, zoom all just once. And here's the benefit that normal AutoCAD, full AutoCAD has more than AutoCAD LT do. So it's making decision to choose the right AutoCAD if this satisfy you. The Autolist is quite good. Please select the full AutoCAD.